So you're ready to start crocheting. The very first thing you need to do is learn how to do a slip knot. A slip knot is the attachment of your yarn to your crochet hook to get you started with your stitches. This is what it looks like, and it is called a slip knot because you can adjust the opening by slipping the yarn to open it more or close it more by pulling on the tail to open it or the working yarn to close it. They say there's more than one way to feed a cat, and no cats will be harmed in the making of this video, I promise. But there is definitely more than one way to make a slip knot. So today I'm going to show you two super simple methods to get you started. The first way is called the wrap method, and the second way is the bend method. I will show you both step by step, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started with the first one, the wrap method. So grab your yarn and lay it over your hand with the tail end towards you and the working yarn behind you. Leave a long enough tail so when you make your slip knot, it doesn't pull the tail end out of the knot. Now take your working yarn, the side that's connected to your ball, and wrap it around your finger so you have two strands laying over your finger. 1, 2. Then grab both your working yarn and your tail end and kind of pinch them between your thumb and your middle finger there. Now take loop 1 and pull it over loop 2. So this is loop 1, this is loop 2. Now you're going to take loop 2 and you're going to pull it over the loop but also over your finger. And as you're pinching the two yarns here, you're going to pull your finger up, and that makes a slip knot. Oops. There you go. The second method is the bend method. This one I'm more familiar with. I've been doing this one for 50 years. So this one, you just bend your yarn in half and pinch it in the middle there. Then take your tail end and you go around that loop there, and I kind of open up and pinch there. Now you're going to pull it through this little hole that you made around your thumb and down. And as you hold the working yarn in the tail end, I put my hook in and pull it tight. And just like that, another perfect slip knot. Both ways will give you the exact same result, so just practice whichever one feels more natural for your hands. Take your time, practice these a few times until your hands get used to the movement. Drop a comment below and tell me if you're team wrap or team bend. In our next video, we're going to use this slip knot to make your very first chain stitches. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and happy crocheting. I will see you in the next lesson.